Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Do you have a big ugly box like this on your GLE? I'm going to show you how to shrink it down from this size to something like this. Let's go. So what's the problem? So your GLE currently probably has a box like that and has a number plate, something like that. As you can see, there's a lot of excess material, and up until this point, there wasn't really a solution for that. So how to fix it? Replace this with our much smaller one. It sits there. From there, you pair up a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. From there, all you gotta do is mount your plates onto the car and get a nice clean look like that, and I'll show you how to get that done. This is how the delete kit comes. Inside, you'll find the plinth and all the screws. So this is what the plinth looks like. And then it comes with all the hardware that you need. So it comes with the screws to mount the plinth to the car. It also comes with a range of blanking screws to plug up any holes onto the car, and I'll explain that a bit later. First step is align the plinth with the car. It just sits in a little groove there. And then from there, you just mark out the holes with the texter. Next is to drill out the marked hole with a small pilot drill bit. Next is grab the A screws and then use those to screw into the hole that you just made onto the car. Now that we have our plinth on, you'd be wondering, oh, but what about the holes that are left behind? Thought about that. The kit comes with spare screws that bolts into the leftover holes, so that way it looks like a parking sensor. Sometimes when the dealership installs plates on your new car, they might use a screw that's too long and it passes through the plate, the old box, and into the car, which are those there. But that's okay. We also give you little screws to plug those up too. So let's get that on the car and then we'll move on to the bracket. Now onto the second part, because it is a two-part mounting solution. You need to select the correct mounting bracket to suit your number plate style. So for example, we've got a Victoria Euro Mini, which is the same as a Slimline. So I've got myself a Slimline bracket. It comes in a kit. Open it up, comes with detailed instructions. It's in there. The bracket and way too many bolts. So how this works is you mount this bracket to the plinth at the height that you think looks the best. And then from there, you just mount up a number plate directly to the bracket to complete the mounting. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna line up the bracket to the plinth here. I've decided to use the bottom two threads and line up those, and I've got my two bolts to spin on to tighten up the bracket. Last step is to mount the number plate. So the 4 holes line up with the 4 holes in the bracket. I'm going to use security screws in this case, so you need a special key to remove it. And I'm also going to add a cover. So get the correct screw, go through the cover, the plate, and into the bracket using the special key. there you have it. We fitted our number plate using our delete kit and number plate bracket, which replaces the Mercedes factory ugly mounting box. Now just remember, you will need two parts. You will need the delete kit to suit the car and also a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. I hope this video was useful and thanks for watching.